Aha, I attention TV so the anasto ye the Eddie evangelist doctor reverend Mama Pat ne court and sensem and in the scam elect no court and sensem no echi. Nini ne mo ne num se wakopie mu e wo court na ne abawe bia na mama bia betena social media so chiri match se kam yakoye sem prosecutor no and judge na no di asem no mu ankasa no bebre papa ye anhwe ye kra na evangelist Mama Pat de nani o chire yan hwe betimi e release no e de free officer yen sheda any evidence potting because on no better than TV so I know so be chiska and it decides on you and it depends on you say we be call and as one call
that voice no I have nothing against Agradaa mitia Agradaa explanation of the mind yes she should do that more often sabi we e wo fie na ye dwuma I will never rise and go and say be disika eko. And you see nipa e disika ko bia eko mo bi say bohoma mami sika ni bi nka ho bia no. Those people is either they are killed or they are duped. And I'll give you one example, a critical example. Yen nyina yet Ghana ha enkra ha and a whole biochemist say okwa adesu Eastern region adesu akwa double ni sika. If you have forgotten the story, I am telling you.
Subscribe to Ghana Update for latest news.
Faufo na go say biochemist allegedly killed at Adesu Power One. A whole biochemist. FSC kaso pako double ni sika. Eno call Adesu. Eastern region Adesu. Oko Power One ho. So kwa double ni sika okwa de ni siye Power One ntimi an double amfa amano no okunu ye kochi Power One ye tutu from one ye who said there were even other bodies afina na April there were alleged blood in gallons and there were bones that we found in the house. So one musika nibere ehun fa so eno ye one yet Ghana ha ena namo baako almighty nam one I na posifo gusubo nam one ho ban. Yes, I am telling you nam one ba quarter posifo ebo nam one ho ban de neba. I have no issue with that because the police think say nam one could easily be killed by anybody, so they are protecting him. But how far are we going to protect nam one? Nam one case how many years in here? How many years and nam one case by se Ghana for say yen fensu nyansa God is love fan club by Fesikabra, Ubenya 20%, Ubenya 50%, Ubenya 100%, Nini na yam fence yansa. Jester Motors, and also buy. Oh, yes, and a Fesikabra, who is can buy a baby, say, who is Kaba Mama, and also by die. Almighty DKM, and also buy. She nipe who DKM case him. Politicians they politics wo Ghana ha ni nyina nkosiaga yenyanse bia mfiri ho na nam wana ba na nam wana so aba wabebu nkrofo ko na no yesi ba ku bia ba bitcoin no se hwan akwa ya se cheetah se C1000 hwan mi hu ni din border akoto lions aba eso baba freedom hwan freedom coin. No, are we serious as a country? Are we really serious? Now one case, I hanging. Attorney General say obe prosecute case no. Attorney General's advice on Guano, it is taking more than a year. Now one case no, anything I may catch or say, it is through what Mami Yati Wado Dankwa said, say we can't prosecute number one. Simple as ABCD. Agradaa. Yes, Agradaa. Yes, and I went there. Yes, Agradaa. But after listening to the response from Agradaa case we I don't want to be a prophet of doom. Yes, I don't want to be a prophet of doom, but it will be very difficult. Agradaa case we it will be very difficult for the prosecution to prove the case. It will be very, very, very difficult for the prosecution to prove the case. In Nipa 7 and I complain is Agradaa do poor. Agradaa o do poor no or the daddy and a bit 2 minutes say one fesicana mamia metiuti. Agradaa di 2 ene kan the video that I watched no wan kase fa sika bra na men double man Agradaa never said it Agradaa nka say wo di sika ba mebo ho ama o enti o ma e kan double money doubling no where did you get that ye di enam enso na yi nam okọ akoyi nam wonso ma wan fa sonso no wem ansha da wana no a wo di da wana tum sa ebe yi nam hook and line hook no wo di tum nko a ebe yi nam no fish will come so you put a fish or a worm on the hook and you release it into the water. So if the fish want to come for that fish or that worm, it is there that you catch the fish. You did not any nam. I'm telling you the gospel truth. I am not a prophet of doom. I am not a lawyer. Neither I am a prosecutor. But Agradaa case we, I better need to say number one. Mark it on the wall. Mark it on the wall. It will turn as number one case. And you pass 7 now, I file a complaint. Agradaa muka asore no. Fine. Bia no na mo kwatena se ye meeting. E ka kire mo say. Oh mo die, mo fa 1,000 mra. Me mo bia 2,000. If that is what or can kire mo there, then there's no issue. But the video that I listened to, or see obechi sika, wa opesika koye adwuma, wa opesika ko sa ho yare, wa woni sika bra. Yes, so you went for money. Yes, so maybe 5 cities some fanya lorry fair. So amount sika. Every painted be painted. So amount sika. Or my 10 cities fire lorry fair. So amount sika. My heart really aches when I saw an old woman who was sick and in a wheelchair. Or see me kobo besia. And now they buy. O kobo besia. And now they come Agradaa say, "Oh my home." And now kwa Jessica. And to my surprise, the woman said, "Ane, and okoji sika no kache onipa ne say, onu de sika no koba, or the bikra be count." She say, "Onu kra wanya kokuduro kache onipa ne say, onu koji sika ni fi Agradaa oba." Na Agradaa o Jessica. And amount is Agradaa ya mano. Bank of Ghana fa kache nzo Jessica. Bank of Ghana fa kache nze on Jessica ema won. Please, let us be serious. Ye chain number 1. I didn't feel Dubai. Me see me call court was 3:30 a.m. 3:30 a.m. Manda me dem. I went to court around 3:30 a.m. Ni pe be go court wo. Enti ene enkrofo be san so aba be court ana. Hello. Enkrofo be so aba be court wo. You see, let me tell you, Agradaa case. Don't be surprised say ne obeti say am Agradaa bill. Yes. Me, I would never be surprised say and ne Agradaa ba be do court. Na ne lawyer I apply for bill. Court
subscribe to Ghana Update for latest news.
Yes, the court has every right to grant Agradaa bill.
Attention TV, so subscribe, follow on Facebook, like, comment, let's also share her and